Hi, it's Emily. As requested from one of my viewers, um, on my burping competition video, he slash she, whoever it is, wanted me to do another burping video. So I am going to burp the alphabet. That was A. I can't do it yet. Stop it. My dogs. B. B. So I did B. C. C. D. I just did D. That was E. F. That was F. G. That was G. H. That was H. I. That was I. J. That was J. That was just a normal burp. K. That was K. Okay. L. That was L. Wait. Okay. That was M. N. That was N. O. That wasn't a good burp. That was L. It's thundering outside. The first thunderstorm of the season. Hooray! Peace. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do Q. Okay, Q. That was a good one. R. That was R. S. That was S. That was T. U. V. That wasn't a good burp. I'm gonna do V. Okay, it was hard. V. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. W. X. Y. Okay, okay, last and final, I'm gonna do Z. Z. Not good, not a good one. Z. Okay. Now, guess what? Bye. I said bye. Please. That was please. Comment. That was comment. And. That was and. Subscribe. That was subscribe. Bye. And if you want any more videos, other videos, any kind, please comment down below. Bye.